Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to install Litematica in Minecraft 1.21.5. Let's get started. Litematica is incredibly useful for building and planning projects, making large or complex builds so much easier. First, close Minecraft and open a web browser of your choice. Type in Litematica Minecraft to find the official download page. On the site, you can read a bit about what the mod does. It's worth knowing the features. Next, click versions and at the top and select 1.21.5 and which is the version we're using. Press download and it will save to your computer. Next, we need Fabric, the mod loader that Litematica requires. Search for Fabric Minecraft and go to fabricmc.net and press download, then download for Windows. After that, we need the Fabric API, which is essential for most Fabric mods. Go to CurseForge, search for Fabric API, then select 1.21.5 and press download file. Now let's install everything. Open your download folder and double click the Fabric installer. Make sure you select version 1.21.5 and press install. Open the Minecraft launcher and go to installations, then scroll down to Fabric Loader 1.21.5 and click the folder icon. Open the mods folder and drag in Litematica and Fabric API. We also need Malilib, a required library for Litematica. Search for Malilib Fabric 1.21.5 and download it, and add it to the mods folder as well. Now hover over Fabric Loader and press play. Once in the game, press M to open Litematica. You can start using it with stick, right-click to create a schematic or select areas. Now hold Ctrl or Ctrl to switch between modes, and you can plan, move, and rotate builds easily. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.